we're in section 9.3. Scooch down here for a minute. We're going to do number 32 together. And we're going to do it by foiling. And remember, foiling is just like you're essentially distributing everything from one set of parentheses to everything in the other set of parentheses. So if we're doing 32 and we're doing FOIL, that stands for first, outer, inner, last. So we're going to multiply the first in each set of parentheses. 3x times 2x would be 6x squared. Then we do the outermost ones. That would be 3x and 1. 3x times positive 1 is 3x. Then we do the innermost ones, which would be negative 1 times 2x. That would give us negative 2x. And then we do the last ones in each parentheses. So that would be negative 1 times positive 1, which would give us negative 1. Then it just becomes combine any like terms. So my highest degree is 6x squared. There are no other x squareds. Then we look at 3x, and we're like, are there any other x's? Yeah, negative 2x. 3x minus 2x is 1x, but we just write x. And then we got that minus 1 here. That's it. All right, so let's go to 9.4. 9.4 was like multiplying special cases. So when you have something squared, there was a shortcut. So we'll do like number 7. If I can scooch down here. My recommendation, I feel like you're less likely to make a mistake on something like this, is to just write, it's squared, so it times itself twice. I really believe you will make less mistakes if you just write 2x minus 9 times 2x minus 9 and you FOIL it. Trust me, it's not that much more than the shortcut anyway. Okay? So if you do your first terms, 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times negative 9 would be negative 18x. Inside, negative 9 times 2x is negative 18x. And last, negative 9 times negative 9 is positive 81. And then you combine your like terms. Now the shortcut says you square the first term. 2x times 2x was 4x squared. Great, we got that. The middle term is what screws most people up, and that's why it's better to just FOIL it out. The middle term is you do the first term times the last term. 2x times negative 9 is negative 18, and then you multiply it by 2, which would give you negative 36x. And the reason you multiply it by 2 is if you look at our line of work, we had 2 of the exact same things. And then the last part of the shortcut is you just square the last term. 9 times 9 gave us 81. Truly, not that much of a shortcut. Write it twice, FOIL it. Trust me, you'll be glad you did. And now, looking at 15, you'll see 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1. They're the exact same thing. One has a plus, one has a minus. That's called the difference of squares. And that one actually does have a nice shortcut. But even if you don't remember the shortcut, you can FOIL it and still get it. But the shortcut is when you have two things that are the same, except one is a plus, one is a minus, you square the first term. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. You always put minus, and then you square the last term. 1 times 1 is 1. And you would end up with that if you FOILed it, because it would say 4x squared plus 2x minus 2x minus 1. And these two terms would cancel each other out, and you're just left with 4x squared minus 1. And then let's get into the last one, factoring. Actually, I'll start the next video for this one, just because I don't want to rush it.